with a monkey just on a bed. One for often purpose. The mother cut it off with a doctor. No more monkeys jump out of bed.
That's it?
No, that's 4 now.
You have to go to 4. Now what else? Come here.
Jumping on the bed. One fell off.
Okay. Shh.
That was in my cat.
Okay.
4 little monkeys jump out of bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mom got a doctor and doctor said, no more monkeys jump out of bed. 3 now. Down to little 1. 3 little monkeys jump out of bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Now 2. 2 little monkeys jump out of bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Now 1. 1 little monkey jump out of bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Then 0. 0 little monkeys jump out of bed. One fell off and bumped his head. That's all.
The
The doctor said it. No more monkeys jump out of bed.
What is with your belt? Who are you anyway?
No, Superman.
Oh, you're Superman.
Hey.
Go ahead.
Still not what I sing. 1 little monkey jump out of bed. One fall off and bumped his head. The mommy got the doctor and the doctor said, come on, monkey, stay out of bed.